Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tips video for Tuesday. Today I'm going to be covering a over-the-head stand for my GoPro. I do a lot of videos here on YouTube, and sometimes I need to be able to do a picture right above the item I'm working on, and sometimes the angles will be on a tripod, you can't actually achieve that. So what I ended up doing was just doing a DIY sort of thing. I went to my local hardware store, which is the closest one is Lowe's, where I picked up just PVC pipe, half-inch PVC pipe that I picked up. Basically, the whole entire stand itself is going to be less than $5. So it works really well. What you do is, this is a bicycle mount for my GoPro, and then you attach the GoPro to here, and then you just do the settings if you want wide or linear or whatever on the GoPro. It works really well. You probably also notice that there's some track lighting. Now these lighting, I've had these for a while, but you can basically use any type of LEDs, and it makes it really nice because it lights up the area. I have one on each side and then one up here on top. Plug that in for you. Okay, so there's plugged in. Alright, turn it on here. See, it produces a lot of light, so it's really good for being right above, for sure. And so yeah, these, I think I bought these particular LED lights for, I think it was under $20 for these. I think it was closer to like 15. But it works really good for getting overhead shots and that sort of thing. And it's cheap. You know, like I said, under $5 for everything. Now, if you want to actually go up in the game and put like a DSLR camera or something like that, what you're going to want to do is go up to a size bigger and add extra, it adds extra durability, so that way it can handle the actual weight. But all I need this for is for my GoPro, so this works perfect. So all you need to pick up is 2 angles and then a couple T's, and then instead of buying the caps are almost $1 each. You just buy these. These are actually the slip collars to slip on from pipe to pipe, and they're cheaper, a lot cheaper. They're under 40 cents each. Alright, now I have the GoPro attached. Let's do some over-the-head footage to let you see how it looks through the GoPro itself. I'm using a Hero 5 GoPro. Okay, here's the GoPro shot from above, and I have this set on wide angle, so you get a little bit more. Okay, here's the GoPro set on narrow. So as you can see, you can do a lot of different details. You can get really close, or you can back up a little bit. This is a bust of Han Solo, which I'll be painting in an upcoming video. But you can see it does a really good job. I mean, I could actually add some more lights if I wanted to, maybe up top. But it works pretty good. I'm really happy at the amount of money I spent on this. It works for what I need it to. Tools you're going to need: tape measure, Sharpie or marker or anything, and you can use a compound saw or you can use a handsaw. I got a handsaw and miter box, so let's get this going.
Seriously? Anyways, hope this helps you guys, and we'll catch you on the next Tuesday Tips next week. Catch you later. Bye.